Hello, I'm in a 2014 Chevy Spark, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So with the vehicle started, we're going to use this button here. This turns it off, and then push again to turn it on. And you can see on the dash here as well, when it's turned off, this traction control off is lit up, and then when you have it turned on, it goes away. And if you're having issues where a symbol like that just won't go away at all, that might be an indication that there's something broken in your system. So you might want to plug a code reader in to your OBD2 port, see if there's maybe a code that might lead you to something that needs replaced or repaired. But otherwise, typically you want your traction control turned on. Situations you might have it off is, say you're on really rough road conditions, like a lot of loose mud, gravel, ice, something like that. You might turn it off. Say like you're stuck in the mud, you might turn it off so your wheels aren't spinning a certain way, so you can help you get unstuck, for example. You wouldn't in this vehicle, but if you're in like a larger vehicle, you might turn it off as well if you're towing. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.